Upbeat music playing. Cut to a clean kitchen, with the Steam & Go 10-in-1 steam mop on the left and the Shark S 7001 mop on the right. Welcome back to Buy Smart. Today, we're diving into the steamy world of cleaning with a showdown between two heavyweights, the Steam & Go 10-in-1 steam mop and the Shark S 7001 mop. Spoiler alert, one of them might just mop the floor with the other. Let's kick things off with price. The Steam & Go comes in at a wallet-friendly $99, making it accessible for those who want a clean house without breaking the bank. Reviewers appreciate this value, praising its effectiveness on laminate floors and grout cleaning. On the other hand, the Shark S 7001 is slightly more premium in price, typically noted around $150. Despite its higher cost, many users find it efficient and worth the investment for its ease of use and chemical-free cleaning. So while Steam & Go offers great value, Shark provides a more high-end experience. Now, moving on to design and functionality. The Steam & Go is a 10-in-1 wonder, tackling everything from floors to curtains, making it a versatile cleaning companion. Users rave about its various attachments and the ability to adjust steam power. In contrast, the Shark S 7001 is sleek, but primarily focuses on floor cleaning. Reviewers mention its self-moving feature, but some feel it's limited compared to the all-in-one capabilities of the Steam & Go. Overall, if versatility is what you're after, Steam & Go is your best bet. Next, let's discuss pressure and tank systems. The Steam & Go features a dual tank system for water and detergent, allowing for efficient cleaning. Reviewers love this feature, noting it helps with tough stains. It also produces steam at a scorching 356 degrees Fahrenheit, making it effective against grime. Meanwhile, the Shark S 7001 has a simpler system without a dual tank, which some users find limiting when switching between water and cleaner. While it does have good steam power, users mention the lack of flexibility compared to Steam & Go. Now let's talk reach and convenience. The Steam & Go boasts a generous 20-foot power cord, giving you plenty of room to maneuver. Reviewers appreciate this feature for covering larger areas without needing to switch outlets. In contrast, the Shark S 7001 has a shorter cord, which can be a hassle when trying to clean hard-to-reach spots. Some users jokingly mention it feels like a workout just trying to reach the far corners of their homes. Overall, the reviews for both products reveal a strong preference for Steam & Go due to its versatility, value for money, and effective cleaning capabilities. However, the Shark S 7001 is praised for its ease of use and specific cleaning performance, especially in homes with pets. So there you have it. The Steam & Go 10-in-1 steam mop is like the superhero of cleaning, versatile and powerful, while the Shark S 7001 is great for those who want a straightforward, efficient cleaning tool. Which mop will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all our money-saving tips. Product links are in the description. Until next time, keep it clean and keep it smart. Outro music playing, end screen with subscribe button and video recommendations.